ICodeta ithi abagibeli kumele bengathuki njengoba lolu hlelo oluzoqala alihlukile nalolu olusetshenziswa emabhasini kanye nasezitimeleni.
Ayiyonto intsha. Abantu bayayisebenzisa ibhasini, bayayisebenzisa etrainini. Intsha kuba iseteksini.
Lolu hlelo lokukhokha ngekhadi luzoqala emzileni emibili.
We are going to start off with Khayelitsha Kilani and Mfuleni Kilani routes. So those are the routes that we'll be starting from. But it will be rolled to all the associations that are under the umbrella of Codeta as time proceeds.
Inhlangano yabamakhumbi iSantaco ilishayele ihlombe lolu hlelo.
Payments can become faster, cleaner, safer and more predictable. This can improve boarding, reduce delays at the ranks and along routes, and create a better experience for the people who use taxis every day.
Umnyango wezokuthutha eWestern Cape uthi lokhu kuzonciphisa izigameko zobugebengu ezikhumulweni zamatekisi.
I want to see the whole province going cashless, and that's because we have seen even today at some of our taxi ranks there's always cash, and that is putting people's lives at risk.
Lolu hlelo lusho ukuphela kwemali yesokisi kubashayeli.
Ngiyathemba ngiyacela nathi malunga sisinyamezele lento nokho inoba yona iyakusinceda ngaphezulu kwaleba sidlala ngodriver bengaphathi isikhafuthini abesenza ntoni benika amantokazi wethu i-airtime emalini yethu.
Abamatekisi bathi kuzofakwa amakhamera azoqapha konke okwenzeka ngaphakathi emakhumbini uqinisekisa ukuphepha kwabashayeli nabagibeli.